guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I have another unboxing. Who would have thought? I really am one of the luckiest people in the world because you guys just, you keep it coming. It never ends. And I mean, am I really gonna complain about that? I don't think so. You guys are always spoiling me and treating me and taking care of me, and I will say this ad nauseum that I am very appreciative of everything that you guys give me. You guys make my collection possible. Like I really am always so grateful for everything you do, and then you just do more. So I don't know how to properly express that gratitude other than to just say it a lot. But we're gonna get into the meat and potatoes of this video. It is unfortunately not me just giving my repeated thanks to you all. It is, well, I don't know if that's an unfortunately. It's a fortunately that we have something quite fun to unbox with Tiny Tiger hanging out in the background. Don't mind him. But we have a Paris, Texas, Lidia boot in here. So let's go ahead and take her out because I really want to see her. And if the lighting is a little bit wonky, don't mind my lighting today. Just if I would have let the natural sunlight completely in, I would have looked completely glowing white. It would have been a little bit crazy, a little bit weird. So we're just gonna get these shoes out of here because it's so awkward for me to hold the entire box up to show you something. Maybe when I eventually start receiving pumps again or something to that effect, maybe then it will be easier. But for the time being, we're just gonna have to have these battles with the boxes. But let's see if I can actually make it through one of these battles. I make it sound like such a first world problem. Here I am carrying these boxes like a kid on Christmas morning. And I'm complaining about it. But here we are. I am so excited for these because it took a while for me to start getting a whole bunch of boots back to back, but they're one of my absolute favorites to wear, so I'm over the moon. Now let's go ahead and actually put this box down so I can go ahead and actually show you guys a boot. So let's get one of these guys out of here, and let's take a gander at her. Now these, they remind me a lot of the new Louboutin Miss Z, just based on the longer sort of toe box that we have going on here, and this little tiny heel. I know that the Miss Z doesn't have a really tiny heel, but it has a similar shape where it sort of tapers in. Call me crazy, I don't know, but I am very enthused with the idea of these boots. I love a nice calf leather. It's not a box leather. It's a very fine grain, soft leather. So I am really excited to take these out. I'm also excited to get a more fitted boot since I like variety. I like my sort of more relaxed boots that I have been getting lately, but sometimes it's fun to mix it up and wear a boot where you get a little bit more shape to it. So this brings me to my next point, where this is going to be my first time in, I think, gosh, years that I have opened up a boot on this channel that actually came with a big old side zip. So that is convenient. It makes it easy to get the shoe on and off. However, I get slightly nervous because if you grow just a little bit, next thing you know, you're not even able to fit in the boot anymore. I know this from personal experience, unfortunately. But let's go ahead and show you guys the other boot. I have yet to come up with like a real, I don't know, flow to show you boots since I'm so used to showing you guys stilettos, so cut me some slack. But here is the other one. I am so excited to be able to try these out, to be able to wear these. Now, I will say, as of late, I have tried a pair of Paris, Texas, and I am very enthused with the pair of boots that I got from them before. So I'm quite intrigued to see how these are going to behave when I actually go ahead and wear them out and about. So maybe I'll just do the same thing like I did in the other ones and go and get in and out in them or something. But if you are watching this and you are inquiring about sizing, have no fear, I can help you, because don't we all want a nice shapely fitted boot? So for me, my true to size is a 36, but I have a very narrow foot. So for these, I went with a 36 and they fit beautifully. I have no complaints. So if you have a very narrow foot, congratulations, stay true to size and you will be good to go in these. If you are someone with a more so average width foot, then go up a half size to a whole size, depending just how wide your foot actually is. And if you're someone with just a straight up wide foot, it's possible that you could get away with wearing these, considering the length of the toe box could give you a little bit more leeway. I know that you guys tend to make up for your needed room with having a lot of extra length in your shoe, whereas for me, I tend to make it up by having to buy a shoe that accommodates the length of my foot. So it's just funky the way that goes about. But if you are someone with a wide foot, I really would not recommend you guys to get something like this, especially where it's super tapered. But then again, because it is zippered, you do have a lot more freedom of movement as far as getting in and out of the shoe, which is nice. Definitely more preferable to have a zipper if you have a wider foot than not. But if you do have a wide foot, I would say you're probably gonna want to go up at least 1.5 sizes in these. Does that sound crazy? Yes, absolutely it does. But that's just the name of the game when you're talking boots, unfortunately. And how about I just pick up the pair before I do my little end of video spiel. But I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys like this and want to continue supporting me, then by all means feel free, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Threads, TikTok, follow me on Patreon, or subscribe there. It starts at $3 a month. And other than that, let's go ahead and throw these on. Bye.
Okay.